BGM is enema bebrina the free mu eba. Captain Smart say Senkebeya Shatta Wale in Siu Chatter House.
Me pese Shatta Wale Siu Chatter House.
Okay. Inyina so be no digina ode kasa o se ichiriku kwa ininima. Na o se nipa no mo se munhia no e ma wo sase. E den na mo bone nwom. Eno nti Captain Smart ononua morning show. E de atudwa se yes Shatta Wale timi Siu company ye from Chatter House. Na omo be chirem di ntia omo si omo nhia no na emum ne nwom de omo body entertaining omo audience. Na Captain sa to aso se Shatta Wale ntu sa na mo na onu ne be Siu Shatta Wale.
Shatta Wale, if you don't sue Chatter House, I will sue you.
Tina mi busa se nyina so be na Captain Smart be gina so de be Siu Shatta Wale. But you see the conversation in Wabontain, and it's a Captain Smart say Shatta Wale and Siu Chatter House. On only be Siu Shatta Wale.
Answer na sports from Ranchi and Bebano. Pese me busa question B. Sir, me we dada. So obi catch now say wa banning from BBA. Nipa no bet me use product. And I said Debbie. Me pese Shatta Wale Siu Chatter House. DJ na boss anyum no wamba ama media general obo ma Chatter House. Chatter House the tuya DJ Black car. So onko bonyum wo ho.
Mama Mistiano.
Now what was say wa ban Shatta? The god of Ghana's music. Shatta is the god of Ghana's music. Take it or leave it. And I say the landlord. Must wa ban Shatta. Now fe munti say na munti mintina without Shatta Wale. Ankrofo nwa mo boy na ankrofo ansa. Edu Shatta so no be ehuri ya so de gina. Shatta Wale, if you don't sue Chatter House, I will sue you. No, you see, your microphobic point at the Ghana, your BBI will be a diagram. Is it not crazy? Is it not madness? Say, yeah, Ghana Music Award. Every year, the best African artist near the Malatani. Oh, every year, the best African artist of the year. Near the Malatani. Na yeah, Sakodi effect. Stone Boy effect. No, I say suit in Kania. No, the call. Na you be a fair, na ye fair. The African artist of the Ghana had the Chatter House and Nyansa. So bet me and say one at least just a year. The African artist of the year between Ghana. Yeah. If you are banned Shatta, fine, no problem. But it down you can't do without Shatta Wale. Abrante be kasape. Mo say hey, munti bi da. No be a wa banning no. Wo body nyom e wo program ase.
I say if you minim the reason led to the ban. Maybe the code of conduct.
Well, Shatta fan so needs to buy the conduct nya. It wa banning no. Ada na wo body nyom.
To was. Yeah, in the personality, but
what jare?
Me yare say
what banning the personality? Na enyum no efri wiem and na buy.
To was it.
Enyum no efri the personality ni na buy. Shatta am fan sika anko studio anko record enyum. Na wo wi a wakofa DJ atua ne ka. So on the boss Shatta enyum na wo program nye de. What are we talking about?
You know, I say na me kan no. Ebia tie me West na me choose no tie me pa. Ebia ne conduct be based on
ne conduct ya fa ne say Shatta siban ya de atum
and ya twe na so
nti me nyu na wo bo agire
they've not said say wo mayi ne
wo mutu royalties ma Shatta na.
I have no idea
because say here we hey say me wo fa me morning show ya me yes say 2 TV so then media general be yo
baby say questions
and say omo bo Shatta nwum wo ho no wo mu bisa Shatta
permission na me ka say And no, me, I am.
Oh, Shatta! There is a concert for you, Jam Bunkumasu. Yes, I'm a Messi when sue Shatta House. I mean, Messi.
I will consume who consume this way.
No, you see, a young forfeit. Sir, a lot of Fabu crowing. And I can't get a musician city boom. Nay, yeah, Cono.
Oh, but you know, me about it. Maybe. Sir,
put him say Nigeria. One more bought to do music in the process. And so back Ghana, we've been able to hold our hard life till today. Yeah, near question a lot of forget table. I'm actually the dinner. Man, no, dear award. No, I'm actually the day or yeah, African Artist of the Year. Any you
know, Artist of the Year, no, and no more count the year and the
oh, please,
the year and
I'm actually the day. There will be any year now.
I think Legends or Achievers Award. It's one of the biggest on the night.
And your biggest on the night be it is I would say class 1 uncle your research uncle PhD exams. As a matter of okay. Are we saying say? So what the sack what the age na? What the stone boy jina? Want to compete with any Nigerian artist na?
The award.
We sack what sir?
Oh, necessarily they've been competing over the year.
It is a sack what the or yeah African Artist of the Year. Any year Ghana Music Awards.
I say one day 2 bo.
Yes, see Ghana for
yes, see omo. Sir, international award.
International award, man.
Me knew much about it, no, but me who say excluding Ghanaian to what?
So what catch them say African Music Awards are met yesterday.
Then I'm the American.
But a Ghana Music Award,
and there is a quota. Where you was said
quota, man.
Then one prize for
who? Artists
who are not Ghanaians.
Every year, what about that?
And so wait, NTT me.
Freddie Maywe.
General, they are looking at the year and the review.
It's time Obozo Blazono. And you man are popular. Ah, let any be above.
As well, can only answer you.
As well, can hear the review.
To was awards now. A Ghana Music Award. Telisa Ghana Music Awards. One category no. Area say Omube celebrating one African artist. Maybe like I said, me into music. I'm not privy to based on me cannot. I am suspecting and say medical yes. To was let me come can you have more DH the American say that category now they shouldn't go to Nigerians all the time now. It should have been maybe a Ghanaians to be to win. And I say I mean privy to all of one document, but no my excluding Ghanaians.
Excluding Ghanaians say na Jimmy. Some me anu aduane yes ye ma na mum obi
awards na mo ye awards
papa you chop money. Ama o ma me so anu aduane. O ma me nu aduane ni wie ya. Na o papa sa kokruma koto fried rice abro.
Awards na mo ye no. It's to celebrate Ghanaian musicians.
Wait. No, it's disgracing. No. It's insulting.
No.
Don't stand here and say no.
General.
We are then catch and say Onuya Awards.
BET Awards.
20. BET dinner that's what you can say. You can't say American Music Awards.
No, I'm saying
America for Music Awards. They award only Americans. BET is international.
So in
Ghana Music Awards is not international.
One more category.
No. American Music Awards.
Ghana Music Awards.
Please. If you don't know them, go there. Even Korea, Music Awards. Omuni award be the outsider.
But this is TCL, TG.
It is because they are promoting Nigerian music here.
But then, yes, we are born in other countries. Ghanaian music. When you watch these Nigerian movies, they use most of our music.
Please, Djka concert. No, I would not.
It's not about concert. Then the issue is that you have a very good. But the issue
the band that I would say, man, pa me who agent kwa brefo yabo Kenya.
Na sa akode sa akode
sa akode nkwa na tuni mokruma Shatta nkwa na tuni mokruma
so the issue is
someone nkwa na tuni mokruma
no these are the artists are
no I disagree. African Artist of the Year
Ghana Music Awards, that is a category created to celebrate Africans outside Ghana.
And say Africans, but one African country apart from Nigerian artists are celebrating for the past 25 years.
General, so and then America say it is based on what they decide to choose.
It is not based on what they decide.
So
it's about destroying.
No, it's not about destruction here. It's about Shatta Wale. TCL, the board decision say these are the artists are free outside Ghana, African Artist of the Year category, no, we've selected them, say you best celebrate them. After voting and whatever, no, this personality from Nigeria won it.
Are you listening to yourself?
Oh, General.
Yeah, awarded Onuya TV and Radio Awards.
So we created, another category in this award to celebrate the English-speaking stations.
English-speaking, men minimize no. You say Onuya TV and Radio Awards na the best radio and TV presenter award na there. Onuya ni bi amfata.
That is not the biggest award at that night.
That is the biggest award.
It isn't. The artist of the year is the biggest award.
It is not.
It is.
The artist is Ghana, African.
That is why I said the awards is made in Ghana.
Oh,
Ghana Telecel Ghana Music Award. That is the name. The biggest award on the night, artist of the year.
The biggest
one
award
subset of the awards.
No.
African.
No. What you say? Ghana and Africa, they're here so. No, you can't trust that this is the biggest hospital in Africa and this is the biggest hospital in Ghana. Which of the two, Nason? What are you talking about?
But General, the truth is that a category.
You can't say a category. It is.
You see, best African
artist. That is it.
So if say Ghana ni
on to that level.
If Ghana ni and at that category, no.
Obia Jibida.
If that category no say Ghana ni wom and you do what, you also have to look at the works of those artists they nominate you on. African na.
And say African na no Ghana artist be ni wa. O deserve that award.
At that moment, per
25
parameters no setting.
Parameter number one.
Parameters
number one.
One we show our boy here.
Oh, please.
We show some boy shows our boy here. Is it at the same level as a video or
winning artist of Africa how what shows spa?
Why?
Record time.
Why?
Freddie Mercury.
Freddie Mercury need you to.
No,
this year. The year under review.
And year we are some America. Also, we have myopic discussion.
No, don't use that word. It's not about myopic. The fact is, I didn't Ghana Music Award. You created an avenue.
25 years.
25 years. Apart from Nigeria, ni winning at African Artist of the Year. No, the band then what is the African Artist of the Year? Yeah, award of Ghana soil. So. Ama other African
because Nigeria phone we nim chain.
There be no correct.
That is not my argument. Then I make a case.
Nigeria
let me help you.
Omo we nim chain. Ghanaian acting.
Ghana South America.
African acting na.
When they catch
at this stage,
but Zoblazo by how many years? You don't know.
Zoblazo say
you don't know.
Zoblazo 2000 mu hobia.
Na the two fan said 2000.
2000 mu.
What are we say 2000? Fan said 2000 mu. Said the Ghana Music Awards. That time there was no single musician artist that not what Africa, not one international recognition. Freddie Mercury.
Can I ask you a question?
Try maybe. Why was the award not given to him? Hold on.
The award is being voted.
No.
It is being voted.
No, that category is not voted for. It is given. That category is not voted for. It is given. So therefore, yet we Ghana Music Awards. And the Russia that critic category ebe go wenimase. But your work point. I mean, come in here.
That is not the case.
But what is the case?
Can I ask this question? Listen,
ask.
Show now, yes,
Onuya Martin.
That is the show.
That's right.
Now, it is the same as the Ghana Telecel Ghana Music Award.
That is not the same.
It
is not
the show is Onuya Martin.
Onuya Martin is not awarding.
Oh no, I'm citing an example.
No, you can't use tomatoes.
Listen about tomatoes. Then we shouldn't continue with this argument. I'm telling you, the fact is that Onuya Martin is the same as the Ghana people.
It is not the same. Onuya Martin, we don't ask people to vote.
It's not about. I'm citing it. Let me give you
apples and tomatoes in an example.
The reason I'm saying is that one, Onuya Martin, you were a solo segment introduction.
Solo in this segment.
And even here.
Solo in this segment. You see, that's what I'm saying.
You are not accepting and understanding what I'm trying to give you.
So don't use solo. It's not correct.
I'm trying to let you know, say, Onuya Martin, one show. That is same as Ghana Telecel Music Award, whatever the name is. One. Now, what about Mimi teacher wo show no so no.
There is pause.
Solo to
change.
Who your friend say Faber also. Yeah. You will new segment. You will introduction. You will interview time. You will sports.
Yeah.
What these are the segments you've created on Onyama the mother body. Fantastic. Ghana Music Award matching. Awards Artist of the Year. In Mimi estimation, I can say Faber also is your Artist of the Year. That is the biggest segment on your show. So the biggest segment on Charterhouse and TDM menu, Artist of the Year. One segment is that Artist of the African Artist of the Year. And then say Artist. So yeah, sports segment. Mimi Hanum the show says sports segment, you know. Your friend say African Artist of the Year.
Yeah.
So when we come on the show, according to Charterhouse, the biggest award, you know, Artist of the Year. And no, so they are not saying Faber also. Now, when you come to sports segment, maybe the African Artist of the Year. No. We African Artist of the Year, which is the sports. Are you trying to say, we are trying to overshadow Faber also? Are we overshadowing interviews?
No.
Maybe.
Okay.
That is simple.
Mami you so much now the year.
Yanko.
Your father say will be bia. Now for your creative segment or match so say the best TV station show.
All the if you use the word if you use the best the best is for all the segments because you say best artist of the year, best Faber also best sports segment. That is the word best now. But when you come, you have an argument. No. What's all this? All the segment is categorized as best.
Time. Okay. Ghana Music Awards. Yeah. Some Music Award nimunu yewo African Best. That is the title of the category. Okay. African Best. Is Ghana a European country?
No, African.
Fantastic. Okay. It is an African Best there. What it means is that the whole night, all the artists that came, they are best locally. They are not best African. Hold it. Enti a Ghana Music Awards. It is not African Music Awards.
General.
So hold on. Enti say Ghana Music Awards dear. Yeah. It should be primarily secondary, tertiary Ghana. Okay. Now, who yes award in the area? What say best artist Ghana? Best artist say unsung best Ghana. A do award Kessia the whole Africa can look up to the year. We say African best. Na no. What time they are coming ukromuni for the past 25 years.
Then I still don't get you because BET normally are doing British entertainment then they do the award and they reward them it is a British event but they reward African way BET a British event and
if you don't know shut up. But I'm saying no, please. If you don't know, shut up.
General, and no.
BET is black entertainment.
No problem.
No, but I'm not award. No. I'm not that award. Grammy is Grammy is international. But where we have simplified it, reduced it, named it according to our tradition and custom and our nation's name. Ghana Music Awards.
I don't see any fault in this.
There's a fault.
I don't see any fault.
It is a say no. Ghana musician be a winning artist of the year. Ghana. You can never ever qualify to be the artist of the year Africa.
I didn't hear.
Because they are organizing award and they say, "Whoa, you deserve local Ghana." But African when we started 25 years ago, are they trying to tell us that no other country musician and are performing better than any Nigerian artist.
If you raise the points like this one, if you raise the point, say now, fine, then I come in. No, that is not your point. The point is I can say you are trying to say that segment now.
It's bigger than
award. No, it's bigger. Please, yeah, awards. And yes, so Nigeria for the Africans, other part of Africa.
We do international
collaborations. So let's create an award to celebrate non-Ghanaians.
International collaboration, no. International collaboration, no. One more international show. Yes, collaboration of the year.
International collaboration.
Say international collaboration, no.
There's collaboration and international
collaboration. Oh, Nyabutre bra men tumlika. We are in Ghana. Ghana is a subset of Africa. So when you place an African award, who can say we Africa? Echa will say. Yes, yeah, continental awards. Me catch you say best artist Africa, best artist Ghana. Yeah, Hineson.
Sorry, best artist Africa no. And we say international now.
Continental.
And we say
award.
France magazine. Best African footballers.
They are about to know for Nyansa Nekono. Me say continental. Manka the whole world. Me say continental. They have named the award African Best.
Hey, Ghana funny idea man say ono tesia wo hwe ni dwuma wo mudie na Africa ha say no. Omo ye dem. It's not like it's the best in Africa. Ghana
what are you talking about?
But it's not the whole Africa. Ghana what? Ghana
TV. Onia FM. Yeah morning show. Yeah awards. Na yeah awards no. You say the best morning show.
That is not
another TV station.
That is not the argument.
But what is the argument?
The argument here is that now when you come to the awards,
chief, category no. Either so became one. And I said two. One member said they will award another artist from a different country.
And no.
Say no. African best no. It's just a Ghana artist be new in the last 25 years.
And no, like I was saying, I mean much about, but I'm even tempted to believe it is created for Ghanaians.
Yes.
So that is what I'm saying.
Aha, Djka Nyansapo TV. Making sure so be subscribe. Or press the red button and one subscribe. We are I don't mind no me as any notification button no. O press ya. Said the bay ye videos on Sabekebi. Me das a sao J bre. Now share me. Jew pay money transfer semen control. So me be woman tabai mu baby but modern so we send this car from Amonone. Edi abagana. Pacho obe use Jew pay. Na u use nso use me promo code Djka and now use abenya $5 they are consika onkwa you send their brand Ghana so yente ne capre you pay amansan boafo me da say bye bye.